What if you could haul the whole family, tow your toys, and still run 0 to 60 in the time it takes a sports car to blink? That's exactly what the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat brings to the table, the ultimate blend of muscle car attitude and SUV practicality. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving into Dodge's wildest family hauler yet, the latest Durango SRT Hellcat. It's loud, it's unapologetic, and it's proof that Dodge isn't ready to let go of raw horsepower just yet. Design. On the outside, the Durango SRT Hellcat makes its presence known immediately. The wide stance, vented hood, and aggressive front fascia scream performance, while subtle updates for 2026 give it a more refined edge. You'll notice slimmer LED lighting, sharper lines, and available blacked-out trim that complete the muscle SUV look. Inside, it's all about blending comfort with performance. Premium leather, sport seats, and carbon fiber accents create an interior that feels both upscale and track-inspired. Performance. But let's be real, the main reason anyone looks at a Hellcat is performance. Under the hood sits a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 pushing over 700 horsepower. That means blistering acceleration and a soundtrack that's equal parts thunder and symphony. All-wheel drive comes standard, helping you put that power to the ground, and the adaptive suspension keeps things surprisingly composed whether you're carving corners or cruising on the highway. And yes, it still has serious towing capability, making this one of the most versatile high-performance vehicles on the market. Features and technology. Dodge also loaded the 2026 model with the latest tech. You get a massive Uconnect infotainment system with crisp graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Harman Kardon audio setup, and an array of driver assistance features. Add-in performance pages that let you monitor everything from G-forces to lap times, and the Durango SRT Hellcat is as smart as it is fast. Conclusion. So, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat isn't just a family SUV, it's a full-blown muscle machine that refuses to compromise. The question is, would you actually daily drive something this wild, or is it better as a weekend thrill ride? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, share this video with fellow gearheads, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into the hottest cars hitting the road.